Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, what I want to talk about is something that I believe is very, very important, right? Maybe you have been in this scenario where you have put in so much effort into marketing, you have created content, you have run paid ads, you have sent emails, run email campaigns. Maybe even as a business owner, you have hired a content creator, you have hired the right set of people. As a marketer, you have done every single thing that you think you should be doing. But for some really weird reasons, it seems like your marketing is invincible. Like nobody is seeing it. You're not getting conversions, no one is buying, you're not getting app downloads, you're not generating any leads, nothing is happening. Now, I want you to know that you might not be doing everything wrong, but there is a good chance that there are one or two key factors that you are missing out on that can actually help you get conversion from your marketing. And that is why in this video, I'm going to be walking you through why your marketing is not converting. Now, the very top of my list of reasons why marketing might not be converting is that you are talking to the wrong audience. Like you are targeting the wrong set of people, right? You might have a great product or a great service, but if you are targeting the wrong set of people, you're really not going to get anything out of your marketing efforts. For your message to really stick, you need to show your ads, you need to show your marketing to people who are interested in your product, people who need it, people who want it, and people who can afford it. Say, for example, you have a luxury skincare brand, and each of your product, your skincare product, is priced from about 300 € thereabout for one product. Now you decide to run an Instagram ads and you target everyone aged between 18 to 35 years old in your region. Now you get likes, you get comments, you get shares, people are talking, but at the end of the day, no one is buying. No one is buying because you are targeting a very broad audience, right? Your range in your region is from 18 to 35. And in that age group, you have people who are students, you have entry level professionals, people who might be interested in skincare, but they cannot justify why they should spend 300 € on one particular product, skincare product. So yes, your ad is getting seen, you're getting followers, you're getting likes, you're getting comments, but no one is buying because you're not targeting the right set of people. Now to fix this problem is pretty easy. Number one, you need to build a customer persona. I'm going to link a template of what a customer persona is in the description of this video. So you can just take a look at it, right? But a customer persona is going to help you to build the image of the kind of customers you want to reach that your product is for. It helps you to know their age, their income level, their values, what they are interested in, their lifestyle. Basically, it helps you to get specific. The customer persona is going to help you to streamline who your ideal target audience is. Two, you want to use ad targeting tools, right? Ad targeting tools are going to help you to get to your right niche audience. You can either make use of Google ad tools or Facebook ad tools. They're all over the place. But make your research on ad targeting tools and invest in a very good one. The third fix is that you need to stop chasing vanity metrics, right? The likes, the shares. It's not really what you need. So stop chasing that. Go for qualified attention. Get to the right set of people. You don't need all the likes. Because if you think of it, right, if you're speaking to everyone, at the end of the day, you're speaking to no one. So I would advise that you focus on getting qualified attention. Another reason I've noticed why marketing efforts sometimes do not convert is that your messaging is either unclear, vague, or very confusing. You know your product, you know your service inside out. Like if you get woken up from your sleep to talk about your product or the services that you render, you know every single thing. But can I remind you that your audience do not know jack about your product. This is why your messaging needs to be as clear as crystal. It has to be crystal clear. One time I was working with an SAS company that offered an all in one project management tool. On the landing page, they had a tagline empowering your digital transformation or something along that line. It sounds very cool and very fancy, but what does that exactly mean, right? Empowering your digital transformation is so broad. What's digital transformation? Like, what are you trying to communicate? So, what we did was that we changed the tagline, we changed the copy to something around manage your remote team projects, deadlines, and communication all from one place. Now that is super clear. And it was a game changer for our marketing because in the first month of making that change, there was up to about 50% increase in conversion. Focus on clarity, not cleverness. You're not trying to sound the smartest. You just want to communicate to your target audience. You need to be explicit about what your product or your service is, what your offerings are. Use very plain language, no big grammars, right? Very plain language. What do you do? What are your offerings? Who is it for? What problem does it solve? Just be direct. I know you want to use the most trending word, but sometimes it's really hurting your marketing. So avoid buzzwords. At the end of the day, what converts is clarity. The third reason why your marketing efforts might not be converting is that you do not have a call to action, right? Now you've shown people your products, they understand what it's about, your messaging is clear, they are interested in your offering. But what next? What do you want them to do next? What action do you want them to take? Too often, marketers or business owners even forget to ask their consumers or their target audience to take an action. Imagine you're launching a new brand or a new product, right? And you create a really beautiful video content. You put out the caption, and all you say is, "Oh, we're excited to launch this new product." And that's it. No click on the link to order, no DM us to make an order, no click on the link in bio, no visit our website to know more about the product. Simply nothing. Always include a clear and simple call to action. Emphasis on simple. Make it as simple as it can be. I really don't know how to explain that again, but make it simple. The fourth reason why your marketing efforts might not be converting is that you're trying to sell before building trust. People do not buy from brands they do not trust. And this is the mistake that a lot of marketers make and business owners also. You're all about selling, 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 which I get, but you're forgetting that people need to have built some form of credibility or attached some form of credibility and trust to your brand before they can buy from you. So if you fall into this category and you feel like, I think I've been trying to sell without building trust with my audience, this is what I need you to do. First of all, begin to post testimonials, real reviews, and examples of people who have used your products or people who have used your services and they love it. So you need to begin to put out testimonials and reviews that speak to that. Also, you want to create value to your target audience, and you can do this by sharing educational content or content that just revolves around the value that you're offering to your target audience. And three, which I think is very, very important, you have to be very intentional about building your trust and building credibility with your target audience. Always have it at the back of your mind that people would buy from brands that they trust rather than brands that are always in their face. Personally, you could be in my face for a million years. If I do not trust your brand, you definitely are not getting my money. Now, the last reason I'm going to be sharing why I think your marketing might not be converting is that you are not testing or tracking your marketing. There's this fashion e-commerce store who ran two versions of the same ad, right? The first ad add a close-up image of the product, while the second ad adds someone wearing the product, walking outdoors in the sun, and all of that. Now, the second ad performed way better, like three times better than the first one. But they wouldn't have known this, which ad would be better if they had not tested anything. There are things that you can do to salvage the situation right now, and you can begin to implement them right now. Number one, do A B tests of your headlines, of your captions, of your call to actions, your taglines. Do A B tests. Have different versions of it. Test out the one that is working better than others and run with that, right? Number two, make use of analytic tracking tools. You can use Google Analytics, you can use Meta Ads Manager. Always familiarize yourself with these tools because they're really going to help you know what is happening with your campaigns and with your marketing, right? And number three, most importantly, let the numbers guide your strategy. Always, always, their numbers. Let these numbers guide you. Do not assume when it comes to marketing. You should. It's not based on assumption. Like I said, marketing is not magic, right? It is strategic work. So your strategy should not be based on, oh, I think this would work. No, your strategy should be based off numbers. Should be based off data that you have on your palms. Starting from today, you really do not have to wait, right? From everything that I've said, if you've identified one, two, or all of the factors as things that are stopping your marketing from converting, you can literally begin to work on them right now, starting now, and you would see changes. I guarantee you. If this video helped you, or if you found this video to be of great value, you know what to do. Please hit the subscribe button first of all, right? If you are yet to subscribe to my channel at this point, why? Right? So please hit the subscribe button right now. Also, if you found it to be of great value, I need you to please like, comment, leave a comment, and share this video to everyone you know needs to see this, especially people in the marketing community. You'll be doing me a lot of favor, right? A lot of good by sharing my video to your network of friends, of colleagues, of business owners also. Thank you so much for watching this video. But before we go, I would like to ask, are there other factors that maybe in the course of your career, in the course of you doing marketing, you've noticed that this is also a factor that could hinder your marketing from converting? I would really want to know. Maybe there's something I might also be doing wrong, right? So please leave a comment and just let me know what other factors do you think can hinder marketing from actually converting? I'd like to know in the comment section. Till I see you again in my next video. It was so nice talking to you guys. Do have a wonderful week and happy marketing. Bye.